Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do our back exercise of the chapter that is HTML. Okay, so let's start with the fill-ups. A dash is the most effective way of presenting information in a precise manner. That is list. Next one, and dash list indent each item in the list and adds a bullet against each item. That is unordered list. Third one, the dash property is used to specify the distance between the borders of the adjacent cells in the table is border spacing. The fourth one is the dash attribute of OL tag puts the list in the descending order, reverse. And the last one is a dash list is used to present a list of defining for terms, that is description list. Now move to the true false. An order list automatically start with the number 0. It's false. The list style type properties specify the type of list item marker that will be used as a bullet. It's true. The tr tag must always be present inside the row tag td. Yes, it's false. The tag dt is used to define the terms or the names. It's true. The default value of the empty cell property is hide. It's true. Now move to the application based questions. Manas has created a table and he wants that the table borders should be collapsed into a single border. Which property should he use? It's cell spacing. Next is Myra wants to use an image as the list item marker for her list. Which property should she use to complete the task? Image tag. Now move to the MCQs. Unordered list is also known as dash list. It's a bulleted list. Next is by default order list start with it's B1. Next is with dash property you can specify the position of the list item markers. It's A list style position. Next is in description list the dash tag helps in describing each term or name. It's B DD. The fifth one is the dash property helps in specifying the placement of a table caption. Its caption side. Its option is C. Now move to the question answers. The first question is differentiate between the UL and OL tag. That is available on the page number 120 and 121. Yes, for the unordered list you have to write an unordered list is used when the item are not required to be displayed in any particular sequence. The list begins and ends with the UL tag and ends with the backslash UL tags. And the second point is it intends each item in the list and adds a bullet against each of them. It is also known as the bulleted, whereas in the order list that is used to display the list of the items in a specific order. An unordered list indent and gives a number to each item in the list. That is why it is also known as the numbered list. Now move to the second question. Define the different types of the list supported by the HTMLs. That is order list, unordered list, nested list, and description list. You just have to write down we are having the four types of the list that supported by the HTML5 and that are order list, unordered list, nested list, and description list. Now move to the next question. What are the tables and which tags are used to create them? Tables are an attractive way of presenting information in the form of rows and the columns. And table tag is used to create a table. Now the last one is write short note on list style image, that is available on the page number 123. Yes, list style image, which with this property you can specify an image as the list item marker. Next, the second one is list style position, that is you can specify the position of the list item marker with the help of this property, therefore to make them appear inside or outside the content flow. And you also have to write down the syntax as well. So complete your back exercise as well as the question answer in the fair notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.